So, nandito tayo ngayon sa Jollibee for the Jollibee meal. Supposedly, we were going to buy Meal B that gives you 2 photo cards pero hindi available sa branch na to. So, we availed the 179 pesos which gives you 1 photo card. It includes a cheesy yum burger, a drink, a regular fries, and a peach mango pie. So, dito ang pinakamatagal na binigay yung peach mango pie. Anyway, let's get to opening the PC.
Saan ba yan?
Dapat hindi masira. Hindi na mabuksan.
Si Jollibee yan.
Oh, did we get? Oh, Mika. It's Mika.
Magkaiba.
Si Bini Mika.
Ano
Hindi, iba yung isa, letter lang. Isa lang.
Mananalo ka kung pareho.
Hindi.